Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is going to be a very interesting one. I'm going to be trying out a full face of Zaron cosmetics product. So everything in here on my face is all Zaron cosmetics. So if you want to know what I feel about the brand as a whole, the products that I use, then keep on watching. So guys, I did my brows off camera because when I was at the store I didn't see any brow product, and I also did my concealer, use my concealer as my primer. So I'm going to go on straight with the eyeshadow. I bought this brush set at the store. It's very travel friendly, as you can see. Just close it like this and it's done. So it's a mini brush set. It consists of a powder brush, like a contour brush. It feels soft, and some flat brushes and like that. So I'm going to be using these brushes, but it's not complete, so I'm going to also use my other brushes too to complete the look. But for now I'm going to be using my fluffy brush that I normally use, this fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply my eyeshadow. And I bought this two eyeshadow and blush duo. As you can see, they're the ones that are available, and this is how they look. Let me open it. This is the first one. This is very colorful and it's all shimmered except this one. This is a matte color, but they're all shimmered. This blush is also a shimmer blush, and this is a matte blush. Then the second one is this is how it looks. This is more matte, like from this row is matte. Everything is matte except this color and this color. Then the blushes are also matte too. I also like this eyeshadow because it comes with a mirror. You can see it comes with a mirror, and it makes everything so much easier, and you can always carry this around when you're traveling or anything like that. I'm going to go in with this orange shade, and I'm going to just pop that on my crease. So this is what the eyeshadow is looking like, and my first thought is that it's not looking as vibrant as it looks on the palette. As you can see the difference, but if you build it up, I feel like you're going to get that color. But aside from that, it doesn't have so much fallout. There is fallout, but it doesn't have so much fallout. Now I'm going to go in with this color on my crease also. Now I'm going to go in with this shade and also pop that on my crease. So now I'm going to use my concealer and this brush from the brush set, and I'm going to use it to cut my crease. Now I'm going to apply this purple shade on my eyelids, and also this blue shade at the corners here. Then I'm going to go into the next palette and use this brown on my outer corners. Now I'm going to pop this gold shade on my inner corners to give that pop. Now let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. I like the fact that it comes with a mirror, and I also like the color range. It's filled with so many colorful colors, and it's not just your normal everyday warm palette, and I really like that about it. While using it, I found that it was not powdery and it didn't have so much fallout, like literally no fallout. It isn't very pigmented, you have to build it up to get the color payoff you want, and that might be a good thing and a bad thing, because if you're a beginner in makeup and you would want a palette that isn't very pigmented and you can work in layers to get the look you want, then this palette will be very good for you. But if you want that instant pigment palette, this one is not going to be for you. You will have to get the pigment when you build it up and build it up and build it up. And as for the shimmers, it's also the same thing. You have to build it up to get the pigment, but it's not that bad. It's not like a situation where there is no pigment at all. It's just not very pigmented. Now I'm going to be using their HD liquid eyeliner. This is how it looks. This is it. Then I'm also going to be using their mascara. This is how the mascara looks. I love the packaging, it's so nice. This is their lightning mascara. This is how it looks. This is the wand. So I'm going to apply the eyeliner and also the mascara. They also have this retractable gel eyeliner. This is how it looks, like this. This is it. So I'm going to use that under my eye. So this is my eyes with the mascara, and this is my eyes without it. I really don't think it did much, but the gel liner, it's I don't really like it because it's so liquidy and it's really hard to control. So now I'm going to go on with my face, and I'll be using their face primer. So we're going to test this out to see how well it does. Oh my god, it actually comes with a pump, and I really like that. Just going to apply. Something is coming out. Okay, something is coming out now. Okay, this pump is not really good. It isn't really bringing out the products. So this is how the primer is looking. I just applied it all over my face, and I think I like the way my skin looks, but it isn't matte. It feels tacky a bit, so I think it's gonna work. Can't really say if it really hid all my pores, but I can still see some of my pores speaking. So this is what I have been anticipating to try on. Like, I've heard so many good reviews on this foundation, so I wanted to try it on to see how well it worked. So this is their Healthy Glow foundation. I'm going to use this amount first, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to apply it because I didn't see any foundation brush. It has a smell. It's not that bad though, but it has a smell. So this is the way my skin is looking, guys. It has the glow, like it says. It's a Healthy Glow foundation. It looks very glowy, but it feels very matte. Not very matte, but it feels matte, but it's still giving that sheen to the skin, and I think I like that about the foundation. I would have really liked this if it was more liquidy. It's going to make it very easy to blend, but aside from that, I like the foundation. It just blends in with the concealer and everything just works. But you can see the glow, like I haven't even highlighted. So I'm just going to use their mattifying compact powder to set my entire face. I had their setting powder, but I really do not know where it is. Like, if you check my previous videos, you would see me use that powder, but right now I don't know where it is, and I thought I had it, but I don't know. So I'm going to use this mattifying powder. I'm just going to set my face. So I'm going to use a damp beauty sponge, and I'm going to set my entire face because I want that matte look. Let's see how matte the powder is. to use this powder brush that came with the palette and just dust everything off. I like the brush. It feels very soft. I like it. So I like the way the powder looks, but it isn't very mattifying, which I think might be a good thing for people with dry skin. So this just gives my skin this fresh look, and I feel like the powder is kind of lighter than me, but I'm just going to make it work with the contour and everything else. So now I'm going to contour using their face definer, and you guys know that I always use this, so you can see I've used a lot. I departed the highlighter and put it in here because it always gets broken. So before it gets broken, I just had to depart it before anything happens. So I'm going to use this contour shade and just going to contour the hollows of my cheekbones. I think I should have used this for contour, but I already used it for powder, so I'll use this angled brush that, oh my god, these brushes, they're so soft, they feel so soft. I love them. So I'm going to go back in with that powder and use a sponge like this and just sculpt out my cheekbones. Wow, y'all see this highlight though? It's so nice. I really love their highlighters. So guys, I got 2 lip liners. This is how they look. Yeah, this one got broken. So this is the color. They are where's the color? Brick cheek. This is brick cheek, and this is mahogany. So I really don't know which one I want to use. I think I'm going to go on with brick cheek, so I'm going to be lining my lips. So the lip liner is very creamy. I like it. So now I'm going to go in with what's the name? Mahogany, and I'm just apply that in the middle of my lips. I guess we're going for a dark look today. Wow, I like the way this look is going. You can actually wear this just like this. Like they're so creamy and they apply very easily. So I got 3 of their luxurious glosses. This is in the shade Naughty, this is in the shade Vamped, and this is in the shade Barbie Doll. So I don't know which one I should apply. These 2, they are like high shine glosses with glitter in there. I don't know if I like the whole look with the gloss. I don't know if it was a good idea to apply the gloss. It's not sticky. No, it's not sticky. I like the consistency of the gloss, but I don't think it goes well with it. Now I'm going to set my face with their Perfect Finish setting spray. So these are my final thoughts, guys. I really like the setting spray, but it took too long to dry up. So I like the way it made my face look and really good. I also like the foundation. I just feel like it should be a little bit thinner in consistency, but I guess that's why it's full coverage, because of the thick consistency. The lip glosses, I like them because they're not sticky and they glide on very smoothly, just like the lip liner, which I really like. And the eyeshadow, I'm in between, because first of all, it's not pigmented at first, so that's the problem I have with it. But it's also good too, because it helps building up and helps beginners. You guys know this face definer, I like it. I also like the brushes, like they're very soft. I like them so much. Okay, I do not like this face primer. I do not like the liner, this liquid eyeliner. I did not like it. And I also did not like these 3 things. No, I did not like them. but as far as the rest goes, I really like them. The powder, I'm just in between. I don't like it. I like it. It's just there, nothing very special. But the rest things I like. Okay, this mascara, I do not like this mascara. It didn't do anything as far as lengthening goes, because it's a lightening mascara, but it didn't make my lashes longer, it didn't make it fuller, it just coated it. So I do not. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this review slash tutorial slash demo slash first impressions, whatever you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it. And also, you guys comment on what you guys want me to do more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.